guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Issa Filipina, and today's video I'm gonna show you an unboxing of the new contact lenses that I got from VOYOC. These are the packaging and it looks really pretty. I got 3 colors, and also they gave me this container that has mirror inside and some equipment to get or to clean the contact lenses. Also a container of contact lens and a container of a solution. So before anything else, I'm gonna get my solution because I forgot to get it. So I got the solution that I've been using. I got this from Amazon. Also, I have my very first contact lens that I got, not from VOYOC, but I got it from KI's from Facebook, and that one I got cat brown eyes, or brown cat eyes, something like that. And I'm gonna show you a picture of how it looks like. This is how it looks like, the brown. Does it even like focus at all? Whatever. So I got this from Amazon just in case I will get or decide to get more than the contact lenses that I got right now, which I have 4. So let's start with unboxing. So this one is I kind of forgot what colors I got, but let me check. I got 3 colors. So I got circle lens Real India, circle lens Real Khaki, and circle lens Euramerican GreenGrey. This one, it doesn't tell me what color this is. So this is how it looks like. Okay. You will see the mini container. I'm gonna take this out. This one says Choco. Well, I didn't get any Choco. The other one is this one's kind of yellow. Doesn't tell me, so I just figure it out later. The last one that we got is this one's kind of yellow. Well, we're just gonna figure it out later. Okay, let's start. This container I got 1, 2, 3, like 6 for this one, and it comes also with the mini solution container and some stuff to get the contact lenses from your eyes easily, but I'm kind of used to just use my hands. And also tips is to wash your hands before doing this, because that's really like a basic thing, but I already washed my hands before I made this video. So the thing about VOYOC is I ordered this January 15, and they had like a Chinese New Year in China, and they have, everyone, probably every business there is in China closed down because of the holidays for 2 weeks. So this contact lenses, I got this for like after a month, and that's why I had to get this first contact lens that I got from a different brand. It's because it just couldn't wait. I got this one for after 3 days, but this one I got this for like after a month. Crazy. Okay, so let's start. So I'm going to put solution. If I'm not doing it right, please don't judge me. Oh. Holy crap. I think this one's kind of scary. This doesn't look like normal or is this the GreenGrey? Because it doesn't say. I feel like my eyes is just looking like a sunflower right now. So comparing to the contact lens, comparing it to my eyes that doesn't have a contact lens. What the heck? Okay. It's kind of cloudy at first. Oh my gosh. Maybe if I have makeup on, maybe it will look kind of better, but this is how it looks like with 2 contact lenses in my eyes. Actually not bad, but you can just really tell that I have something in my eyes. I feel like one of those people in Game of Thrones with their eyes like that. I feel like one of those zombies in Game of Thrones. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Okay, this one is probably India. This is how it looks like with just the one lens of the hair. Okay. So that's how it looks like. And I believe this one is the real India color. Just guessing because they didn't tell me or they didn't name the color of the contact lens here in the container. This one actually feels good and feels lighter than the first one. Weird, but oh my goodness! It has like an edge of blue. Now, I feel like this is the India, and the second one that I opened was the Euramerican GreenGrey. Can this brand can get any more complicated than this? Because they sent me this package after a month. Okay. So I waited after a month. I spent $32 for 3 pairs. It's because that time they had a promo of buy 2 get 1 for free. So I was like, you know what? Seems like a good deal. So I tried it and boom, I received it after a month. Okay. This one kind of feel kind of weird. So this one is, I think, the real India now. This is how I look It looks nice. So I'm so excited to put makeup on, but not today. It's because it's already 12:45 a.m. and I always couldn't sleep at this time. And I am so glad that I got this, because that wait was so long. I got this package Feb 12, and I ordered this package from the voioc.com. I ordered this last January 15, and I got the package Feb 12. So how is that? So I'm so glad that this contact lenses arrived before my photo shoot this coming Saturday. It's because I want to play around with different colors of contact lenses and makeup. Even though it arrived after a month, like almost a month, I'm still grateful that I still got it before the photo shoot. And if I probably didn't get this like just 2 days before, I would probably miss this contact lenses on my photo shoot. So it's really a good thing to buy things ahead of time, because you just don't know what's gonna happen. And yeah, just like this thing, it arrived like a month, so whatever. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope I helped you with choosing what color you want for your dark brown eyes, because I have a dark brown eyes. I hope this video helped you what to get for your contact lens and what to get for your eyes. And also I don't know if I want to recommend this brand, the voioc. It's because it took a month for me to get the package. Actually, it looks good in my eyes, I feel like, especially if I probably have makeup on already. So let's see, I'm gonna make another video for that. But for now, I'm gonna end this video, and I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you subscribe on my channel. And if you have any questions, please comment down below, and I'll see you in my next vlog.